Hi, it's Liz with you.
G'day everyone, it's Matt here.
And today we want to look at, there's some exciting things happening in the marketplace at the moment. We're watching the cryptocurrencies start to move again, which is really interesting in our world because how does that affect, how does the movement of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, what does that do in terms of our world in websites? And one of the things, we're actually really excited about it because not only, I'm sure a lot of you are involved in Bitcoin and making a bit of money at the moment, so that's exciting, but what we're doing is really getting excited about the growth in the marketplace because as we see these digital currencies get taken up by institutional buyers. I mean, today we've seen Tesla, Elon Musk get on board, which is very cool. But what that means for us, what we see is that digital currencies are opening up and even more this online trading world, this online economy.
Not only that, Liz, I think we can safely say now too, digital assets, and I'll put in inverted commas, are becoming mainstream and becoming very accepted. Now, it's kind of amusing to us. We've been harping on this for the last decade, and come on, you got to listen to us. Finally, people are starting to listen. Digital assets are real. They do really make you money, and the great thing that we're seeing, I think this is here we are been talking about for the last decade. Finally, it's becoming, people are realizing, wow, digital assets are like real estate, online real estate, particularly websites, because they generate money, they have value in just their presence online. But I think more importantly, it's not that you've missed the boom. I think this is just starting.
This is just starting, guys.
So obviously we're watching cryptocurrencies becoming mainstream and well accepted. The other evidence that we've got of that why it's becoming more accepted now is over the last 12 months, and maybe you've heard us say this, we are seeing a lot more big buyers come into our space and start buying up websites, exactly the same kinds that we're buying and that our community members are buying. Admittedly, there may be a few extra zeros on the buy prices that they're buying, but what's even more surprising is some of these institutions like private equity firms and venture capitalists and high-level entrepreneurs or companies are buying up the exact same websites that we teach our community members they should be buying or building, and they're buying up. Traditionally, private equity wouldn't look at a business under $1 million or even under $5 million for that matter. Now we have private equity firms buying up what they would consider quite small websites for around $1 million. So that's pretty, and I know to you listening made me think, wow, that's a really big site. To a private equity firm, it's not. Private equity firms generally have unlimited funds. They just raise funds and they can buy up whatever they want. Traditionally, they've bought much bigger businesses. So the cool thing is we're seeing them move more and more into our space with what we're doing online.
Which is great because that means we're seeing more growth. So if you ever thought, okay, have I missed the boom? No, we don't believe you definitely haven't. And there is a whole lot more to come. We're still seeing really good, strong, consistent growth in the move to retail sales online, so e-commerce and all that. And of course, we make money. The more money people spend online, and the more that's spent on advertising, that is our model. We make money out of that. And so the other major benefit that we're seeing in what we're doing in buying digital assets relating to websites is that, now this is a difference between crypto and what we do, is that we can add value. So what we're seeing for us and our students as the market's growing, we can do really simple stuff. It's like owning a property. It's like buying a property rather than like a house of your own, rather than buying into an investment fund or something like that. We actually control the asset and we can add value to it. So we can do some quick and easy renos and double that website's income and value very, very quickly. So not only are we riding the growth up, we're actually increasing the value of these assets. And we've got students also building them from scratch. Actually, Jason, the other day, let us know, he built one just over a year ago. It's now hit $1,000 a month in income, and he's about to sell that asset off. He'll get somewhere around $40,000 or $50,000 out of that. And he certainly hasn't had to pick up a hammer or a nails or work with tradies. He's done that all from home on his computer. So this is a very exciting time where you can build assets for yourself, starting from zero, starting with very little funds, and basically use just knowledge and skills to create assets online. And I'm sure you've heard we've got a whole lot of classes of assets and the ability to trade assets going forward using these non-fungible tokens and things like this. And we've also got the ability to invest directly in businesses and companies using these new cryptocurrency technologies. So it is a very, very exciting time going forward.
Absolutely.
You don't have to know about all that though. All you need to know is that the world, it's coming together right now. This is a moment of great change, I think, in our history. And it's definitely a time to be up on this knowledge and understanding what's going on.
And to be considering digital assets as a investment class. So it's not just the traditional own a business or own shares or own real estate. Now we add in the fourth one, which is owning digital assets.
That's exciting. So get into it, guys, over this month. I hope you I know many of you are on board with us. We are doing exciting things at the moment. So you'll be investing in those assets and growing those. And if you haven't already, then maybe find out more, because we'd love to show you how to actually get into this marketplace and add value to your very own digital asset.